In this tutorial, you will learn how to insert a hyperlink in Google Presentation. Just about any object on your slide can be turned into a hyperlink. Text, shapes, and even images. There are 4 ways to create a hyperlink. First, let's select the text. One method would be to use the Insert menu and select Link. A second method is to right-click on the object and choose Link. The third way is to click on the Insert Link button on your toolbar, or you can use the Control-K shortcut on your keyboard. For now, let's use the Insert menu and choose Link. Now you can edit the properties for your hyperlink. If you have text selected, you can change the text to display here. You can link to a web address where you provide the URL. You could link to an email address, or you could make a link to another slide in your presentation. For now, I want to use the web address. So I'm going to go to the website where I want to link to, copy the URL, and now paste the URL here. I can test the link by clicking this. It works fine. So now I'll press OK. While the link is still selected, you can see the address here. You can even change or remove that link. But I'm fine with it, so I'll leave it. I'm going to use this image now to create a link. If I right click on an image though, I won't have the object to create a link. So I think I'm going to use the Insert Link tool on the toolbar. Notice there's no text to display there, so I'm just going to go to my website, copy the URL, and paste the URL address once again. I don't need to test it this time, so I'll press OK. So now I want to create a hyperlink to an email address. So I'm going to select this text here. I'm going to press Control-K on the keyboard. I'll click on email address, and then I'll actually type in the email address here. And then press OK. I'll come back in a little bit later and test that one out. So now I'm going to select this image over here and create a link to another slide in this presentation. I'm going to click on Slide. You can choose Next Slide, Previous Slide, First Slide, Last Slide, or Specific Slide. I'm going to choose First Slide and click OK. So now I'm going to start the presentation and test out a few of these links. When I click on the email link, it opens up my Gmail so that I can compose a message to that address. And now to check my slide link, and it works.